Drive2Link, Google Drive, direct download, link generator. First, I opened Google Drive and went to the file I wanted to turn into a direct download link. From there, I clicked on Get Link and copied it. But before using it, I had to fix the access. I changed it to anyone with the link so that everyone can download without permission. Now I opened a new browser tab and searched for Drive2Link. The first result was a Medium article. I clicked on it and read through the steps. From that article, I clicked the link to go to the official Drive2Link website. Once on the site, I clicked on the Convert a Link button to begin. I pasted my copied Google Drive link into the box and hit the Generate button. After a short scan, the tool generated a new direct download link. I tested the link by clicking on Test Link and it worked perfectly. Link successfully opens download prompt. And that's it. Now anyone can directly download the file using this link. Super easy with Drive2Link.